Learn how to reset and clear your Honda CRV maintenance reminder after completing your vehicle maintenance. Whether you just completed an oil change, a cabin air filter replacement, a tire rotation, engine air filter replacement, or routine maintenance, resetting your Honda CRV maintenance reminder is quick and easy. I'll show you exactly how to reset your maintenance light on your Honda CRV so your dashboard tracks your next service interval and keeps your service maintenance schedule up to date. This is perfect for the Honda DIY owners. So let's get started. There's two ways to reset this maintenance reminder. One is right here on the steering wheel, on the left-hand side. The other is on the radio. Today I'm just showing the reset on the steering wheel. What you want to do first is come out to this little house key, press it down until the maintenance comes on like this. Once that's on, come back to the steering wheel and press on this button right here. And you'll see that it'll flip over. Now this is at 100% the oil, and the reason for that is I already did this video once before and it just didn't come out right. It was too dark to see. This is saying that the oil's at 100% because I already reset it. If your light's on, it'll tell you the percentage that it's at. It'll be 15% or less. Once you get to this point, you come back to the steering wheel, press this again, hold it for about 10 seconds, maybe 15 seconds, and we're waiting for this to change. Okay, now you see it says maintenance reset. It has B, has all items due. So if you took care of everything, you would press this and it would bring everything back to 100%. And if you just did one or two items, you would scroll this down to where item 1 only, item 2, item 3, and so on. As far as what the codes A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, what maintenance they indicate has to be done. I took a snapshot out of the owner's manual, and I'll just show you that rather than read them off. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. It does help. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Hit that Joe Z button not to miss any of my new videos as I upload them. Until next time, stay safe.